Marina, you want to go upstairs?
Circle.
You want to go upstairs?
Square.
No.
Why not? Because you know if we go upstairs, you're going to go to bed, right?
Yeah.
3.
Let's go upstairs. Come on.
No.
You want to go night-night? You want to go night-night? No, you can't have this camera. This is a new one. You want to go night-night?
No.
No?
And on
Show, no, wait. Wait. No, touch. No touch. Show everybody your eye. Show everybody your eye. Let me see your eye. Say cheese.
This.
Good girl. Say, say cheese. I know. You just want to keep touching it. Ow! That fell on Mommy's foot. It's not funny. Oh, thank you. Kiss. 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 You want a bath? Time for a bath. Oh, let's show everybody your toenails. Look at your beautiful toes. Yeah, Mommy painted them a nice little red. Yeah. Marina. Okay, it's time to go upstairs and go to bed. Okay? Time to go upstairs and go to bed. No more puzzles. No more anything. Night-night time. Marina, look at the camera. Where does this one go? Right there. Say bye-bye.
No.
Why not? Say bye-bye.
No.
I love you. Mwah. Blow a kiss, Marina. Marina, blow a kiss. Go like this. Blow a kiss. You know how to blow a kiss. Marina.
Wow.
Okay, time to go night-night. Marina. Get off of that.
Oh, you were there.
You blew a kiss the other way. You blow it this way. Blow a kiss. Good girl. Good girl. Good night. Bye-bye. Good girl.
Oh.